Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make this delicious spaghetti jollof. It is so easy to make, you guys. It is tasty and ready in no time. So without no further talking, let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients I'll be using to make this recipe. Here I have some carrots, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onion, chopped garlic. Here is my pepper mix. Okay, I have tomato, scotch bonnet, and peppers. I'll just go ahead and grind this, grind it. Okay, and then I'll go ahead to season my chicken. I'm using some chicken breast here. You guys, I love this seasoning. I'll just take half teaspoon of each seasoning cube, salt, black pepper, and chili flakes. I'll just go ahead and mix this thoroughly. Okay, yeah, and then set it aside. So in a pan, add in some oil. Okay, when it heats up, you will be adding the chicken. Okay, we are just going to fry this till it is golden brown. Okay, all the pink color of the chicken goes. So I'll just fry that and then flip it to the other side to fry the other side as well. And then after I have fried this chicken, I will be taking them out from the pan. Okay, just like so. So after that, I will be topping the pan with some more oil, just a little bit more. When it heats up, I will be adding my chopped onions and then my garlic as well. Okay, go ahead and add in your garlic and then stir that for some seconds. Okay, and then we will be adding our blended pepper mix. Yeah, just go ahead and add that in, and then we'll be stirring this. Okay, we'll just be stirring it up and then frying it till all the water goes. And in the meantime, we'll be boiling our spaghetti. Okay, I've already boiled some water. I'll be adding in some salt and then a little bit of oil. This will make them not to stick. Okay, stir it up, add in your pasta. Okay, cook this till it is al dente. Al dente simply means when you bite into the spaghetti, it has a little bit of resistance, and this takes about 8 to 10 minutes. So checking on the tomatoes, you can see it has fried really well. The water has gone. We'll be seasoning with some curry powder, some thyme, some seasoning cube, salt, and then stir this together. Just stir it, okay, to incorporate the flavors. After that, I'll go ahead and add in the chicken. Okay, stir that again, mix it up with the sauce, and then we will be going ahead to add in our chopped carrots. Okay, just stir that and mix it up. After that is done for some seconds, go ahead and add in the pepper mix, the green bell pepper and the red bell pepper. Stir that again, okay, to incorporate, you guys. And then we'll be going ahead to add our cooked pasta, our cooked spaghetti. Yeah, just add it in. Okay, you can just be adding this accordingly and not all of them at the same time. We're just going to be mixing it. Okay, I added a little bit of pasta water, okay, to help incorporate the flavors of the pasta. Okay, you can also add any chicken stock or beef stock as well. Mix this thoroughly. Okay, yes, you're going to mix it to get into the sauce. Okay, after that is done, we are going to top it up with some spring onions, yes, for extra freshness and crunchiness. Yes, so just mix it up, you guys. Taste for salt and seasoning, and then you have it. Okay, your delicious spaghetti jollof is ready. So tasty, you guys. Like, it is so good. Yes, so you can go ahead and serve this to your family, your friends. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, I will be seeing you guys again in my next video. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Bye bye, I will see you again.